How to fix high ping in Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, there's no any settings to lower your ping in Roblox. Simply go to Play Store and download VPN. After that, simply click on fastest location and then click on the fastest location and connect it. After it's connected, simply open your Roblox app and try playing the game or try checking the pin in Roblox. After that, it will lower your ping and you can simply play your game. This is how to fix high ping in Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for watching.